Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Provident Bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Provident Bank app is a mobile banking platform designed to help customers manage their finances securely and conveniently. It offers features such as checking account balances, reviewing transaction history, depositing checks, transferring funds, paying bills, and managing debit card settings. The app also includes account alerts, branch/ATM locator, and secure login options like biometrics for added protection. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, smooth navigation, and reliability for everyday banking tasks. Mobile check deposit and bill pay are frequently praised for saving time, and the ability to manage cards or set up account alerts directly in the app adds flexibility. Customers also value the security measures, which give peace of mind when handling money digitally. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login difficulties or temporary downtime, which can be frustrating during urgent banking needs. Others feel that certain features are basic compared to larger banks' apps, especially when it comes to advanced financial tools or integrations. The overall experience can also vary depending on device updates and connectivity. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Provident Bank app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure and straightforward way to manage your accounts on the go. It performs well for standard banking needs, offers good security, and simplifies tasks like check deposits and transfers. However, if you expect more advanced digital banking features or require flawless reliability, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.